Hi, this is Tim with OS College, and this is a quick video about Microsoft Excel Online. And in this video we're going to be looking at clearing formatting in selected cells and the entire an entire spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do here is add some style and formatting to text in various cells. Make that bold, italicized, and I'm going to, for this one, just increase the font size. But let's say you make several changes to the style and decide you don't like it and want to revert back to the styles before you start changing the styles. So if you just want to do it with one cell, select the desired cell. In the home ribbon, go all the way to the end and click more options, go clear and clear formatting, and it returns this the 6-speed freewheel with 44T crankset to the original size. I'll go ahead and adjust that one more time, because what you can also do is select the entire spreadsheet and do the same thing. And you go clear formatting, and it not only changes the 6-speed freewheel, but also reverted the other style changes as well. This quick video from OS College has been about clearing formatting in cells in Microsoft Excel Online spreadsheet. Be sure to click subscribe and like on this video, and you can receive notifications about future videos about Microsoft Excel as well as other applications. There are more videos about Excel Online, the other Office Online applications, as well as other applications on the OS College YouTube channel. There are more videos, articles, and other information about various applications on oscollege.com, OS College's website. Also check out the OS College Facebook page. Quick videos are 2 to 5 minute videos about one particular aspect or feature of an application. Thank you for watching.